And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Young Jamaican sprinter Briana Williams, who tested positive for a banned diuretic in June, looks set to miss out on competing at her first Senior World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar. Her disciplinary hearing is set to start only 4 days before the actual championships gets underway on September 27. Keon Rayner reports.
Following approximately 30 minutes of case management behind closed doors with a 3-member independent anti-doping disciplinary panel comprising of Chairman Attorney Ken Gammon, medical practitioner Dr. Marjorie Vassell, and sports administrator Denise Forrest on Tuesday, the dates for Briana Williams' actual hearing was scheduled for later this month at a venue to be decided.
We have set the hearing dates, that's the most I will tell you, for the 23rd, the 24th, and the 25th of September. That's this month at 10 o'clock. More than likely we might come back here, but I'll confirm. And at that time, we will then take the evidence and we will then make our determination accordingly.
Gammon made the disclosure to members of the media gathered at the Jamaica Pegasus on Tuesday following the hearing.
Well, we had the preliminary hearing as to whether the athlete wanted to, whatever she wanted to do, she has the opportunity and or the right to waive a hearing or have a hearing. She chose to have a hearing. We wouldn't have known that until now. We are having a hearing on the 23rd, and we'll proceed accordingly. We'll make our findings in due course based on the evidence.
Williams and her representative, Dr. Emir Crown, both appeared via Skype, while the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission's team appeared in person. Williams tested positive for the banned diuretic hydrochlorothiazide at the National Senior Championships in June, where she clocked 10.94 seconds to place third in the 100 meters. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, is set to announce the nation's team to Doha on Wednesday. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.